US President Donald Trump has refused to engage in trade talks with India until the ongoing tariff dispute is resolved. Trump announced a 50% tariff on Indian goods, citing national security concerns over India's continued purchase of Russian oil. White House Trade Advisor Peter has emphasized that these tariffs are different from usual trade disputes, linking them directly to Indians' oil imports from Russia. The move has sparked criticism and heightening tensions between two countries. During Friday's Parliament monsoon session, opposition MPs protested strongly, demanding a discussion on the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar. Their protest led to the adjournment of Rajya Sabha to the day and Lok Sabha till 3 p.m. Earlier, both houses were suspended till noon amid sloganeering. Before proceedings began, India Alliance MPs demonstrated outside Parliament over Bihar Sir, the Bengal language controversy and the US tariffs on India. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman formally withdrew the Income Tax Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha on Friday after the Select Committee led by the BJP MP Baijayant Panda submitted its report. Officials said a revised version, including most committee recommendations, will be introduced in Parliament on August 11th. The move aims to present a single uploaded bill to avoid confusion from multiple drafts. The original bill was introduced on February 13. Pakistani's Army Chief Asim Munir is set to visit the US for the second time in 2 months to attend the farewell ceremony of US Central Command Chief General Kurila in Florida. This visit highlighting the growing military ties between Islamabad and Washington amid political tensions. Earlier, Munir made headline for a raid White House lunch with President Donald Trump, who praised him for helping defuse tensions with India after the Pahalgam attack. New Delhi has paused plans to buy new US weapons and aircraft, signaling tensions in bilateral ties following President Donald Trump's tariff hikes on Indian exports. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh's visit to Washington, meant to announce this purchase, has been cancelled. Officials say this move highlights India's growing dissatisfaction amid escalating trade dispute with the US. On August 8, 2025, the Supreme Court proposed modifying its May 15th ruling that allowed the Uttar Pradesh government to use funds from the Sri Banke Bihari temple in Vrindavan for land acquisition around the temple for considered development. The court also suggested forming an inter-committee to manage the temple and put on the hold earlier mandate to create a permanent trust or committee. US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin may meet next week, says Mexico's deputy UN ambassador. Advisor Yuri indicated the United Arab could host the summit, as it's not an ICC member, helping Putin avoid arrest risks. However, the White House denied finalizing any meeting or location, despite an ICC arrest warrant over alleged war crimes in Ukraine. Putin has traveled to countries including Mongolia, China, and North Korea. US Secretary of Marco Rubio stated that the US got involved directly when India and Pakistan went to the war, crediting President Donald Trump for delivering peace. Also, Rubio highlighted Trump's commitment as the president of peace, mentioning his role in brokering ceasefire in conflicts like Cambodia, Thailand, and Azerbaijan and Armenia. Rubio also noted Trump's efforts in resolving the 30-year war between the Democratic Republic of Congo and Rwanda, which caused millions of deaths. The Fantastic Four First Steps was expected to dominate the summer box office, but is now losing ground. In its third weekend, it aims to earn $18 to $20 million, similar to recent Marvel films that dropped 50%. The movie has made $200 million domestically and $370 million worldwide so far. It's set to surpass other 2025 Marvel hits, but isn't delivering the big box office comeback the studio hoped for.